Ever wrestled with Word, trying to get text exactly where you want it, only to be defeated by rigid formatting? Let's break free from those limitations. First up, the text box trick. Go to the Insert tab, find the text box option, and choose Draw Text Box. Now, click and drag to create your text box type or paste your text right inside. The magic happens when you click the edge of the text box, then go to the Shape Format tab. Here, you'll find Wrap Text. Choose in front of text or behind text. This lets you drag the box anywhere on the page. See? Total freedom. Now, let's try another method. Floating pictures. Insert any image, even a blank one. Select the image, and again, head to the Shape Format tab and choose Wrap Text. In front of text or behind text are your friends here, too. Now, insert a text box into the image. Drag the text box to the location within the image where you want your text, and make sure it's formatted correctly. Change the background color to make it transparent by going to Shape Fill and selecting No Fill. Finally, for ultimate control, explore Word's advanced layout options under the Position menu. These give you precise control over text placement relative to margins, pages, and other elements. Experiment and find what works best for your document.